Hello, beautiful people. It is me, Lisa, the love coach here. Lisa Concepcion, founder of Love Quest Coaching. And today I am bringing you some quick language hacks so you can manifest love. Do you know that what you speak has power? The words you use, the mindset you're in, create your reality. So there's a lot of stuff going on with people subconsciously, and it affects the way they speak, the words they use, how they refer to certain things, especially when it pertains to love. So if you are looking for love, wanting to manifest that great relationship, you need to start learning how to speak the language of love. Now, what do I mean by the language of love? Well, are you speaking about the opposite of the very thing that you want? Are you complaining that it's hard to find good people and that every date you go on is one disaster after the next and that there aren't any really good people on dating apps? Or you go to a party and everybody wants to be your friend and you're not really interested in anyone romantically, and the ones that you're interested in aren't interested in you? Are you saying these things, complaining about these things, comparing horror stories with your friends? When your family asks you, hey, why are you still single? Do you launch into a long list of reasons why things just aren't working out in the romance department? Well, let me tell you that just saying these negative things is only sending a message to the universe to give you more of the same. So many of you are probably watching videos about law of attraction, and there are a lot of huge amounts of content out there. But the one thing that I think needs to really be a key point that a lot of these videos and things miss is the language. What you are speaking, what you are writing down really impacts what you attract. And so I have so much fun with manifestation. I use it in my business. I use these techniques and these types of trainings that I learned to apply it to my business life and also my relationship. I'm happily in a relationship for 4 years, and my significant other and I are planning on what's next in our relationship. So we're both dreaming together, writing things down on paper, making plans in action, taking action that support those plans, and just really marching forward with the life that we want to create together. And so this is all possible, whether you're single or in a relationship. The intention that we put forth with our language, what we are speaking into existence, is going to be what we see. So we get to choose. Do you want to speak positivity in what you want into existence, or do you keep complaining and looking at what isn't happening and what it is that you want and the lack of it, as opposed to what you want and the likelihood and the belief that it can happen? So here's a little exercise that I want you to do as soon as you're done watching this video. But when we are excited about something that we already manifested, and we tell the story about that cool thing that we manifested, guess what happens? The universe looks at us and says, wow, you're so excited and happy about the thing that you manifested. Here's some more. Here's some more. Here's some more. Let's see if you can handle this manifestation and this manifestation. So be grateful for all that you have already manifested and tell the story about how that happened. So I'll give you a really cool example of how I would tell a story of a recent manifestation for the purpose of just feeling good. And when you feel good, the universe sees that and blesses you with more good. Okay, so here it goes. Just this past week, I didn't really have any plans for the weekend. The boyfriend and I were just gonna hang out, and we live on South Beach in Miami, Florida. So we were gonna do a regular beach day, pool day, hang out, grab some dinner. It was a beautiful weekend, so we figured, we'll just lay low. He went out to a meeting, a business meeting, and the person that he had the business meeting with said, hey, how would you like to go to a gala event as my guest this weekend? So my boyfriend quickly remembered how his girlfriend, me, said, baby, one of the things I really want to do in 2020 and moving forward and have more of this in my life, I want to dress up and I want to go to more charity events. I want to go to different galas and different things where we can mix it up with different people, have a charity, give back, do something fun, but with really good people in the community. So he said, okay, good. That sounds like amazing. Let's put that out there and see what happens. So wouldn't you know, just a month after having this conversation, this opportunity comes to go to this gala. And my boyfriend said, we'd love to go, that'd be amazing. And we got all the information, we got the name of the charity, the whole deal, the website, everything that we needed to know. Sorry, busy traffic in Miami as usual. And so he said that we would attend. We attended, it was amazing. The people were amazing, the charity was great, the entertainment was great, the food was great, everything was great. The room was beautiful. It was at the Eden Rock Hotel here in Miami Beach, just moments away from our house, quick Uber ride from where we live. It was just the most convenient, easy breezy night. And it was just something that happened within 48 hours. So this is how quickly things can happen when you just put it out there. I remember saying I wanted to go to galas and wanted to go to events, and sure enough, I let the universe take care of the how. I didn't focus on the how. I was like, I don't know how this is gonna happen, but I know I wanna get dressed up, I wanna go to galas, I wanna have great food, meet great people, be around good people in the community. And so it ended up being, interestingly, a charity that's very close to me in that it has to do with the Diabetes Research Foundation or Institute rather, the Diabetes Research Institute. And they do amazing work. And my grandfather was diabetic and a double amputee due to diabetes, and he had passed away from a massive stroke. So I'm always very cognizant of charity work having to do with diabetes. So that said, we went to this amazing gala, had an amazing time, and the point is for you is don't worry about the how, just allow. I had no idea how I would manifest an invitation to one of the hottest, most important galas in Miami. I had no idea how this was going to happen, but I just put it out there and believed I'm worthy of it. I'm worthy of going to a gala. Why not? It would be fun. And I just let it go and let the universe work its magic. And wouldn't you know, just a month after having that conversation with my boyfriend, he, not even with me around, manifested the opportunity. And he knew that because of the conversation that he and I had just a couple of weeks ago, he had it fresh in his mind. My girlfriend wants to go to a gala. This invitation gladly because I know my girlfriend wants to dress up nice and go to a gala. So let's go. So point is, look at the things in your life that you already manifested. Bang the drum of them, journal on them, tell a good story about them. I wrote down in my journal how I manifested an invitation to a top gala in my town. And I was able to use that now to manifest something else in my life. I wanted a new client, and I wanted a new client within 48 hours. So I started a journal about how grateful I was for this beautiful gala this evening that I was able to have with my boyfriend and all these new people that I met. And I was just like, wow, what a beautiful night at a beautiful hotel. And I went on and on and on journaling about this. And lo and behold, I went into my email, and somebody who saw a piece of my content reached out to me and said, Lisa, I've been watching your content and I would love to coach with you. I would love to hire you as my coach. I have some business issues that I want to work out. I want to manifest more business. I want to double my income in this year, and I feel like you can really help me out. And in doing so, my relationship with my wife will improve. My relationships with everybody else in my family will improve. So you definitely are the relationship coach for me. I want to work with you. And I was like, this is amazing. So I sit here, I am showing being thankful and gracious and super gratitude for one thing. And then when I'm done with that thing, another thing appears. So these are the ways to really hone in on your language, be really super mindful about what it is you're saying, speak the language of gratitude, speak the language of manifestation, and trust me when I tell you, the words you use, the things you focus on, and the actions that you take are all part of creating great manifestations. I wish you the best. Concepcion. I'm so happy to be with you today, beautiful people. And you can find me over at lovequestcoaching.com, where you can get your free love life assessment. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.